If you're a small business owner looking to DIY your design, Canva is probably where you'll head to. It's an easy graphics platform that is perfect for beginners. Today, I'm going to show you how to add an outline to any image in Canva. It's super quick and easy, so let's just jump right in. Okay, so I have Canva open, and the only requirement for adding a border to an image is that we need an image. So I'm just going to jump into the Photos tab in Canva and choose an image. Here is a ridiculous photo of a dog, but this will be good for our example. So let's just say that this is your image. Before you add a border, the first thing you'll want to do is just make sure that you've cropped it down to whatever size you want it to be, because the way that we add a border means that it just needs to be the size that you want first. If you try and adjust it afterwards, the border will actually come off the image. So let's just say I want it like that, and I want to add a border. Okay, then I'm going to select the image, and I'm going to click Edit Image here in the top left. Then I'm going to scroll down and find Glow. This is going to add a glowing effect to your image. So maybe you wanted something like this, but if you did want to adjust it, click on this little edit icon on the Glow panel, and it's going to open some more settings. So we can adjust the glow here to be basically anything we want, but if we're trying to create a solid border, what we want to do is move the transparency up to 100 and take the blur down to 0, and that's going to give us a solid border. Then you can adjust the size depending on however you want it. You can also change the color. And that's it. That's how you add a very easy and quick border to any image. Now let me just quickly show you if I did then try and adjust the size of the image. Things start to get a little bit wacky with the border. So when you start cropping, it'll actually crop the border off. So best to have it cropped before you add the border. Now, if you did want to add a border to the actual subject in an image, first you'd need to remove the background, which you can do in Canva as well. So let me just put that same image in again. And I'm going to click Edit Image, Background Remover. And this is basically just going to remove the background from your main image. Now, let's say maybe I wanted to restore the pillow that the little doggy is laying on. I'm going to click Restore. And it's going to just let me sort of paint back in the parts of the image that I want. So I'm going to just put that cushion back there so the dog doesn't look like it's just floating. And I'm going to click Done. Okay, so I'm happy with this. And now I want to add a border to the actual subject. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to apply the background, click Glow, and you'll see now that it's actually added that glow to the subject without the background. I'm just going to adjust the color, the blur, and the transparency and size. And now you have a border around the actual subject of an image. So 2 really easy, quick ways to add a border to your images directly in Canva without having to open up any fancy design software. I hope that was quick and easy for you and you learned something new. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments and I will see you in the next video.